Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone unable to install iOS 17. So guys, if you are using iPhone and want to install iOS 17 update in your iPhone and unable to update, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, and guys you need to click on Wi-Fi, and guys make sure that you have connected with proper internet connection. So guys, if already connected, then you need to click on Wi-Fi and click on forget this network, and guys after this you need to click on forget, and guys after this you need to reconnect it again with your iPhone, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, and guys here is the option of screen time. Simply you need to click on it, and guys click on content and privacy restrictions, and guys you need to turn off this tab, and guys after doing this you need to go back, click on general, and guys scroll it down. Here is the option of date and time, and make sure that date and time is set automatically, and after doing this you need to go back, click on VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your phone. So guys, if any VPN is connected, then guys you need to disconnect it, and after doing this you need to go back and click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and click on reset network settings, and guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, now you can see when I am clicking on software update, so guys I will see the option of update now. So guys, now you can see here, wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see I have an update, that is iOS 17.1. so guys, simply you need to click on update now, and guys after this update will be installed in your iPhone. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.